Yesterday, a man said to me, he said, how can you smile when your world is crumbling down? I said, here's my secret, when I wanna cry, I take a look around and I'm seeing that I'm getting by. So I hold on, change is coming, I said, hold on, don't worry, I said, hold on, you can make it. Everything. Some people like to worry, some people like to run away from the pain inside. Now it's your business, do whatever you want to do, but if it don't work out, here's what you ought to do, just hold on, change is coming. Don't worry, said hold on, you can make it, said hold on, everything will be alright. Now there's a bit of a song where I just want to communicate with you guys and connect with you guys, so I want you guys to repeat after me, and it's pretty simple. You just go la la, you guys do the same thing. Yeah? Alright, cool. Enjoy, follow along, and smile at us. It goes something like this. La 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 don't worry, say hold on, you can make it, said hold on.